Ever panic searching for lost keys or a misplaced wallet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is your ultimate solution to track down anything, giving you incredible peace of mind. Today, we're diving deep into why this compact gadget is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their life and protect their valuables in 2025. What truly sets AirTag apart is its groundbreaking precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology. Imagine this. Your phone literally guides you with on-screen directions and haptic feedback, telling you the exact distance and direction to your lost item, even if it's under a couch cushion. Setting up your AirTag couldn't be easier. Just one tap with your iPhone instantly connects it, making it accessible even for tech novices. Plus, its robust IP67 water and dust resistance means your tracker can withstand everyday spills or even a quick dip, so you don't have to worry about minor mishaps. It seamlessly integrates into the vast Apple Find My network, leveraging hundreds of millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your AirTag, even if it's miles away. If you're ready to say goodbye to the stress of lost items and experience the future of tracking, check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack via the Amazon link in my description below. This isn't just a tracker, it's an investment in convenience and security, making it one of the best electronics purchases you can make this year. Seriously, for effortlessly finding your essentials and protecting your peace of mind, the Apple AirTag 4-pack comes with my highest recommendation.